everyone, today I am going to make a biryani, a fish biryani. There are a few things that you need to pay attention to when making a perfect biryani. So one is the freshness of the fish. So I got my fish from Marine Fresh in Mysore. So they deliver excellent quality fish, very fresh. They bring it from the Calicut harbour. So the previous day they give us a call or they put it up on the group telling us about the fish that's available on that particular day. And the next day they bring it here. So it is very fresh, no preservatives, and cleaned, completely cleaned. So that's what I prefer using. The second thing is the garam masala. So if you change your garam masala, it's not going to be the same. The taste is going to differ. For that, you can take a look at my previous video on garam masala itself. There is a recipe of my garam masala. You can take a look at that. Initially, I wanted to make a sear fish biryani, but sear fish is not available today. So I've just placed the order for pomfret, and we are going to make a pomfret biryani. This is a Malabar biryani, and we use jeera rice, unlike the usual basmati rice that you use for biryani. So let's start. Biryani masala, we'll need onions sliced. I've taken around approximately 650 to 700 grams of onion. And then we have coarse ground ginger, garlic and chilli paste, some lime juice and some tomato puree. I didn't remove the peel or the seeds, it's just ground as it is. And some ginger garlic paste here for the marinade for the fish. The onions are sliced thin and we've fried it and kept aside. You have to take it just when it gets golden brown, because after some time it gets darker. We don't want it burnt. Fry the cashew till it's golden brown. Usually fry it in ghee, but since I cannot have ghee, I'm using normal sunflower oil. You can use ghee to fry the cashew. Some raisins. We add some spices, that is cinnamon, 3 pieces of cinnamon, around 6 cloves, some nutmeg flowers, and some bay leaf, 3 leaves, 6 pods of cardamom, and 1 star anise. And this is slightly heated. We add some shah jeera, not the normal jeera. This is shah jeera, which is a smaller version but very flavorful. This is what it looks like. This is shah jeera. So add around half a teaspoon of shah jeera. I've washed and drained 4 cups of jeera rice. This is the jeera rice variety, not the basmati rice. Add the rice, the spices. If you don't like biting into the spices, you can tie all the spices in a muslin cloth and add it to the rice. Add salt. Reduce the flame and keep it closed. The rice will be done in about 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes and our rice is perfectly done. Now at this stage you can remove all the spices that are on top. See, you don't want to bite into it, so you can remove all of it now. For the marinade for the fish, we're taking 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 3 to 4 teaspoonful of chilli powder, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, 3 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, 3 to 4 teaspoons of lime juice, fresh lime juice, and salt to taste. Add a few drops of water to make a paste. Our marinade is ready now. So let's marinate the fish and keep it aside for 20 minutes. This is 1 kilo of pomfret. After cleaning, it's come up to around 800 grams. So this is marinated very well. Now we will keep it aside for around 20 minutes and then fry it. To make the masala, heat some oil. Add some garam masala. This is a special masala that we make at home. Add some bay leaves. We are going to fry the fish by adding some garam masala and bay leaves to the hot oil. For the garam masala recipe, please check out our earlier videos. Once the oil is hot, we fry the fish. I'm frying the fish in the same pan, same pot, the biryani pot, so that when I make the masala, it gets a fish flavor. Remove it gently and keep it aside. The fish is fried well. Pour some more oil to the same pan that you fried the fish in. And now let's start making the masala. We fried the onion in the same oil that we used to fry the fish, so that the fish masala adds to the flavor of this onion. And after this, we'll be adding a little bit of salt so that it gets sauteed soon. So this is where we need a lot of patience to wait for the onions to get cooked very well. It has to be fried till it's golden brown. And then we add the remaining masalas. The onions are almost done. You can see. We need to have a lot of patience in frying these onions. You can't put it on very high flame because it will get burnt. So keep it on a medium flame and keep stirring and saute till it is golden brown in color. The onion is fried well. Now let's add the ginger, garlic and green chilli paste. I have used 2 whole pods of garlic peeled, and 2 large pieces of ginger and around 10 to 12 green chilies. Based on your spice preference, you can reduce the green chilies. It's coarse ground, so don't grind it to a smooth paste. Saute till the raw smell of the ginger and garlic goes. Adding the tomato paste. I've taken 3 tomatoes to make the puree. At this point, you can add some salt to the masala. Check the taste and add salt if required. You can reduce the flame and keep the lid on. Allow it to cook for some time. A handful of chopped coriander leaves and mint leaves. Finally, add a little bit of the fried onions that you had kept aside in the beginning, just a little bit. Remaining will be used for garnishing the biryani. Now we gently place the fish on the masala. It tends to break since the fish is very soft, so we're just going to gently keep it here and not stir too much once the fish is added. Keep the masala aside. Let's start layering the rice. In goes the ghee rice first. Some fried onions, some chopped coriander and mint leaves, some garam masala, and then we layer the fish. Be very gentle with the fish because it's breaking apart. That's a rice layered with the masala. And finally some garam masala on top. And once it's done, we'll garnish it with the fried onion, cashew and raisins. Keep it closed on low flame, very low flame. If you have an old tawa, you can keep it over it. Our biryani is ready. We have garnished it with chopped coriander leaves and mint leaves and the golden fried onions, the cashew nuts and raisins. And for accompaniments, we have the Kerala papad, the fluffy Kerala papadam, and raita. Enjoy your biryani. I'm waiting to hear from all of you. Thank you very much for watching. See you in our next video.